Today we're in Prior Lake, one of the fastest growing suburbs in the Twin Cities. People love it here for the trails, the lakes, the schools, and all of the great local restaurants and entertainment. Now here's the best part. You don't have to spend a fortune to live in Prior Lake. Today we're checking out 3 amazing homes that are all for sale right now, all under $450,000. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking to downsize or just want to see what kind of bang you can get for your buck in today's market, you're going to love this tour. Each of these homes has its own unique vibe and standout features that you won't want to miss. If you're new here, I'm Mark Comparato with the Call the Comps real estate team at Real Broker. My wife Brittany and I love helping people buy and sell homes all over the Twin Cities, and we'd love to be your go-to resource when you're ready to make that move. Okay, we're at 15582 Skyline Avenue in Prior Lake. This is a beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car attached garage and over 2,100 square feet of living space. It's a move-in ready home available for a quick close, and it recently reduced its price $20,000 and is now asking $429,900. Let's go take a look.
Move-in ready home is packed with updates and amenities you're going to love. Once inside, you'll notice the fresh upgrades throughout. New paint, new flooring, and stylish quartz countertops in the kitchen. The home also offers a spacious 3-season porch, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and a private sauna for ultimate comfort. Major systems have all been taken care of, giving you peace of mind with a brand new furnace, central AC, water heater, and a water softener already in place. This home is truly move-in ready and designed for everyday convenience. Whether you're looking for a quick close or an easy showing, this property makes the process simple. Don't miss your chance to own this beautifully updated home in the desirable Prior Lake community. Schedule your private tour with us today and see everything this amazing home has to offer.
Alright, again, that one's priced at $429,900. Let me know what you thought of that in the comments, and let's go to the next home. Okay, now we're at 4640 Oakwood Circle in Prior Lake. This home sits on a spacious corner lot and features over 2,100 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's got 2 spacious decks out back for entertaining. Listed at $434,900 and located just minutes from parks, restaurants, shopping, and schools, this home might be just what you're looking for. Let's go check it out.
Home for sale in Prior Lake perfectly blends modern style with everyday comfort. Situated on a spacious corner lot, this property offers plenty of room to spread out both inside and out. Step outside to enjoy not one, but 2 expansive deck living spaces. Perfect for morning coffee, summer gatherings, or relaxing evenings under the stars. Inside, you'll find a fresh and thoughtfully designed remodel. From updated finishes and stylish accents to a bright and inviting layout, every detail has been carefully considered. This home is both functional and beautiful, truly move-in ready. The location is another highlight. Just minutes from shopping, dining, schools, and parks in Prior Lake, you'll enjoy both convenience and community. Whether you're commuting or simply exploring everything the area has to offer, this home makes daily living a breeze. If you've been searching for a home that combines charm, updates, and accessibility, look no further. Let us know if you'd like a closer look. We'd be happy to schedule a private showing today.
right, drop a comment and let me know what you thought of that one while we head to the next house. All right, we're at our last home on the tour. This is 3298 Balsam Street. This home is freshly updated with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and just over 1,700 square feet of finished living space. It's located within walking distance of 2 parks and the beautiful Spring Lake, where you can do some nature walks, fishing, or just enjoy the scenery. You can also take advantage of a free 1-year 1% buy down rate if you use the preferred lender of this listing. Comment and reach out to me after the tour if you'd like some more information. Let's go step inside and see what this home has to offer.
To this freshly updated single-family home designed for both comfort and convenience. As you step inside, you'll discover a spacious floor plan that features recent updates throughout, giving every room a fresh and inviting feel. This home has 4 bedrooms, including a generously sized primary bedroom, the perfect retreat at the end of the day. Outside of the home, you'll find a fully fenced backyard, ideal for privacy, pets, playtime, or hosting outdoor gatherings. It's a true extension of your living space. This location is a standout. With 2 parks within walking distance and Spring Lake just down the street, you'll enjoy easy access to nature walks, fishing, and scenic views right in your neighborhood. If you've been looking for a move-in ready home in Prior Lake, this property checks all the boxes. Reach out to Mark and I today to schedule your private showing before this one is gone.
so much for joining me on this tour. If you liked any of these homes or want to see more amazing properties just like it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future tours. Because you never know, your future home may be one tour away. I'll see you next time.